Gente, eu descongelei aqui a geladeira, ó, que eu vou limpar. Aí vou tirar as coisas aqui da porta, vou lavar. Olha como ela tá cheia de gelo. Olha, tá lotada de gelo. Aí vou limpar todinho por dentro. Olha. Ali é resto de salada de maionese. Aqui eu coloco a borracha da geladeira aqui dentro, gente. E é isso. Vou deixar aí gravando pra vocês, tá certo?
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit, I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Gente, terminei aqui, ó, de limpar a geladeira. Aí a porta ficou assim. Eu organizei as coisas assim. Lembrando que eu ainda vou fazer minha feira, né? Ficou bem limpinha a geladeira. Aqui embaixo ficou assim, ó. As verduras. Aí cebola, pimentão, pimentinha, chuchu, cenoura, batata e tomate. Um resto de chuchu ali. Aí aqui nessa gaveta ficou assim. Aqui também tá assim. Ali tem um resto de cheiro verde. Olha. Ficou limpinha. Aí quando eu fizer minha feira... Ali também ficou um resto de cebolinha, né? Que eu coloco pra congelar. Ficou tudo limpinho. Aqui é só um descascadozinho, gente, ó. Mas ficou assim. Aí quando eu fizer minha feira, né? Aí eu vou colocar as carnes no congelador. Essa gaveta aqui não tem nada, não. E é isso. Gente, aqui lavei a louça do café da manhã, mas não mostrei pra vocês, né? Porque pra vocês não enjoar, depois que eu terminei de lavar a geladeira.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Gente, terminei de lavar o banheiro, lavei tudo. Hoje eu lavei até o chuveiro, que estava muito sujo. Lavei a janelinha. Por aqui também tá organizado. O vaso sanitário está limpinho. E é isso. Chão brilhando, olha.
Oi, meus amores, tudo bem com vocês? Boa noite. Vim finalizar o vídeo de hoje. Espero muito de coração que vocês tenham gostado. Se gostarem, deixe bastante like. Deixe comentários aí que eu vou responder vocês. Gente, aqui tá tão quente, por isso que ultimamente eu tô aparecendo aqui de cocô, porque eu não aguento, gente. Tá muito calor mesmo. E é isso, meus amores. Até o próximo vídeo, se Deus quiser. Um beijo no coração de todos vocês.